First of all, we have to do slanting line. Okay, then do small curve. Understood? Slanting line and then do small curve. Then after, come down with straight line. Understood? First, you have to do slanting line, then do small curve, then come down with a straight line. Okay? Then again you have to go back, go up in a same line up to this. Okay? Then after, do like this way. What is this? This is our small cursive H. First you have to do slanting line, then do small curve, then straight line, then go up again in a same line and do curve, and then come down in a straight line and then again do curve. This is our cursive small H. I write here. See, from blue line we have to start. From here we have to start up to red line. Okay? Then small curve, okay, then come down with a straight line. Understood? Then after you have to go up to this blue line. Then after do small curve, then again come down, okay, and then here you have to do curve. What is this? This is our small H. Small cursive H. Like this way you have to write. Okay, now let's write in our book. So first of all, keep this book cursive small letter. Okay, and then open this page. I hope you already finished this one page. Now open this page. We have to do this page. Okay, see. So from this blue line we have to start. Like this way you have to do H. Okay? From this line you have to go up to red line, then come down, then again go up, and like this way you have to do H. H for hand, H for house, H for hat, H for hand, H for house, H for hat, H for hand, H for house, H for hat, H for hand, H for house, H for hat. Okay, like this way you have to complete this full page. H for hand, H for house, H for hat, H for hand, H for house, H for hat. Okay, so this full page it is in your homework. Now open this page, this one. So first of all, here you have to mention date 28 September. Okay, so see, what is this? This is HAT, hat. HAT, hat. Okay, so now we are writing H. From this blue line we have to start, do slanting line up to red line, then do curve, then do straight line. Okay, from here you have to go up to blue line, then do small curve, then come down with a straight line and then do curve. This is our cursive small H. You can say H for hand, H for house, and H for hat, H for hand, H for house, and H for hat. Okay, so like this way you have to complete this full page also. And now you have to keep this book. In this book also we have to write, open, first of all open this page, write here name. Okay, then after you have to mention here HW, then here you have to write H for hen. Okay, see like this way. So this one page also it is in your homework. Okay, thank you, bye bye, have a nice day.